Crafty Flosstube. My name is Tia and you've reached my channel here at Calm Creations here on YouTube, and this is my little channel where I share all my crafty bits and pieces and things that I've been up to. So we are back for day 7, the last day of our 7 days of spring soiree, and because I wasn't going to be able to get any work done on my Christmas quilt, I decided that I would just find something else to do. So I have a couple of finishes. I did manage to finish my diamond painting, so that is all done and ready to frame. So I'll be framing that hopefully tomorrow if I remember to get a frame. So that is all done. Glad that one's done. So now I've only got my big piece to finish now, so we can tick that off the list. If I can find a pen, there it is. Okay, so that is diamond painting. Tick. So here's our list, and because I didn't get to the Christmas quilt, there's nothing next to that. So, and the other finish that I had was a cross stitch piece that I did, I think no, it wasn't last year, it must have been the year before. And it had just been sitting in my drawer and I found it the other day. So I have finished my Quaker bat by the work basket, and it is on 18 count white Ada, and I have just done it on board. I haven't finished the back yet, but it's going to be hanging, so you're not going to see that. And I've just put some little corduroy brads in the corners and used a bit of the Halloween tinsel for the hanger. It's got little bats on it, and that sort of ties in with the orange of the brads. So that's all finished, and I used the same blue fabric that I used in the tribute piece that I did for Queen Elizabeth II. I still had it out and I thought, oh, that matches perfectly. So Quaker bat, all finished. So that is the end of our little spring soiree for me. So that was 7 days of me putting out a video every day and holding myself accountable to get some stuff done. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 7 isn't too bad. So I hope you enjoyed that little series, and I know that I certainly did, and I will see you all on Tuesday for my regular Flosstube CraftTube update. Thank you very, very much for all your wonderful comments. I really do appreciate it. It's been fun, you know, sharing all these different projects and interacting with you all. It's been great. So again, thank you very much, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.